I brought the chips.
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Nice. Let's do it.
Okay, I can't wait to try it.
Welcome back to Pretty Creative Stuff. So back in the day, my wife and I used to go to a Mexican restaurant that we absolutely loved. And it was amazing. But my wife always loved their Pico de Gallo. And so that's kind of what got me thinking about, could I make this at home? That's when I started making it myself, and I never looked back. I actually like mine a lot better than theirs. Today I'm making Pico de Gallo. It's one of my favorite things to make. It's delicious, it's easy. I always start with the hardest ingredients because I'm going to be mixing, and so I don't want to start with something soft like tomatoes where they're going to just kind of get mushy. So I always start with the onions. These are red onions. You can use whatever kind of onions you want, but I really like red onions, so that's what I'm using. If you want to see how I chop the onions, I am by no means a professional chef, so it was me helping my son learn a little bit of knife safety. You'll have to check out the video about the knives to see what happens. I'm going to use jalapeno peppers. This is about half of one jalapeno. And then the seasonings. This is just smoked chipotle flakes, sea salt, and garlic powder. Like that. I'm gonna give it a kind of a general blend right now, just to get kind of the onions broken up a little bit. I did chop it, but they're kind of stuck together, just the way God designed them. And then put in the lime juice, the cilantro, another rough stir. That alone would probably be delicious, but I think we're gonna stick with tradition and add some tomatoes. And then we got the tomatoes. Can't have Pico de Gallo without tomatoes. At least not in my house. And that's about it. It's just that simple. So I'm gonna put some of this in a bowl, and then I'll invite my wife over and let her taste it. And she will be the official judge. All right, honey, you wanna come over?
Sure. I brought the chips.
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Nice. Let's do it.
Okay, I can't wait to try it. I bet it's as good as always. My only suggestion would be next time we need to get the chips that are like the scoops, so I can fit more in, because I can't balance enough on my chip. Oh, this is really good. I could totally just eat this by the spoonful.
And it's pretty healthy. It's vegetables, seasoning, and I think tomatoes might technically be fruit. I'm not sure.
I think they're technically fruit. It's how they grow. If you like avocados, be sure to also check out his guacamole recipe, which is very similar to this, but if you like guacamole and you like avocados, you might like that even more than this. But this is like one of my favorite recipes ever. And check the description box for the link to the guacamole recipe, the link to more information about the knives.
Thanks so much for joining us.
See you next time.
Bye.
I'm gonna keep eating.
Okay.